this come off really
A lot
smooth.
easier. Okay, perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. Just
One.
okay. Can you say that again, what you just told me about how smooth it comes off and what that tells you?
Oh, it tells me that it's not doing any damage at all to the lug
Okay.
whatsoever. And it comes off as smooth as it does. That's the reason why with these other sockets, they've got a little bit of wiggle room in there.
Right.
And sometimes they'll catch, get stuck, and then you got to kind of wiggle.
Right.
And then that's
letting you know it's doing damage.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Right.
There's no noticeable damage to the tool, no noticeable damage to the lug nuts. And it still continued to slide on and off without a problem. Yeah. Overall, what's your rating out of 10?
I give it a 10.
Yeah? Okay. Okay.
For sure.